Hello students, welcome to Science Fact Education. This is the question number 17. In this question, it is given that if all the three interfacial angles defining the unit cell are in equal magnitude, the crystal cannot be. Of course, this is a so simple question, but the relationship between interfacial angles, their interfacial angles and edges you should remember. And to solve this question, you can use this trick, that is C T O H R M T. C means cubic, T means tetragonal, O means orthorhombic, H means hexagonal, R means rhombohedral, M means monoclinic, T means triclinic. Rhombohedral is also called as trigonal system. So remember this. This is so important point because many students confused between tetragonal and trigonal system. Okay. The edge length for cubical system, that should be all equal. And from right side, for tetragonal, from right side there will be cut mark. It means not equal to C. Next step you have to follow, both will be cut mark. Next you have to open from the left side. You have to open this not equal sign into equal sign from the left side. And then open both. Then close both equal sign. And then again close both equal sign. For interfacial angle, from starting from for 3 unit cell, 1, 2 and 3, these 3 unit cell having equal interfacial angle, and that should be equal to 90 degree. Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, that equal to 90 degree, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, that would be 90 degree. Here alpha equal to beta equal to 90 degree, but gamma is equal to 120 degree. In this case, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, but not equal to 90 degree. Here alpha equal to beta is equal to 90 degree, but gamma is not equal to 120 degree. Here you can correlate these two. Okay. And in this case alpha is not equal to beta, even not equal to gamma, and all these angles are not equal to 90 degree. So according to this question, if all three interfacial angles defining the unit cell are in equal magnitude, the crystal cannot be. ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ किसके बेसिस पर है? इंटरफेशियल एंगल्स के बेसिस पर है. ऑल राइट. सो हियर in case of hexagonal, if you see rhombohedral, there are all equal angles. In case of cubical system, there are also all equal angle. In case of tetragonal system, there are equal angles. They have equal angles. So answer C should be the correct options. Okay. So to memorize all these, follow this trick. Okay. Thank you.